Level up your fan game by showing off your awesome profile picture on Weverse. First, let's get our Weverse app open. You'll want to tap on the profile icon, usually found in the bottom navigation bar, so we can access your personal space. Once you're on your profile page, look for your current profile picture. It might be a default image or a previous one you've set. Tap directly on this image to bring up your editing options. A menu will pop up with a clear option to change profile picture. Go ahead and give that a tap. Now, your phone's photo gallery will open, giving you access to all your pictures. You can either choose a photo you've already taken or snap a new one right now. Browse through your albums and pick that perfect picture that represents you as a fan. Once you've found it, tap on the image to select it. You'll likely see a tool to crop or adjust your chosen photo. Make sure your favorite part of the picture is nicely framed. After you're happy with the crop, tap the confirm or save button to apply the changes. And just like that, your new profile picture is live on your Weverse account, making your presence in the fandom even more personalized and vibrant.